All right, here we are at the final part of the C-suite blueprint for AI security. We've gone through the why and the what. Now it's time to get our hands dirty with the how. We're turning all that great strategy into a real operational plan. Okay, just a quick heads up before we jump in. This is part 5 of a 5-part executive summary of the comprehensive report, Continuous, Role, and Location-Tailored AI Security Training by Virtualization Options LLC. What we're covering here is just a small fraction of what's in the full report, really focusing on the benefits and, yeah, the complexities of adopting a program like this. And of course, as a brief overview, it comes with no warranty. With that out of the way, let's get into it. So, the first 4 parts laid out the big strategic picture. Now, we're shifting gears completely. This isn't about why you should do this anymore. This is about exactly how you do it. Think of this as the playbook, the step-by-step guide to making this training program a reality in your organization. At the very core of this whole blueprint is the engine that's going to power the entire program, the delivery platform. I mean, you can have the most amazing training content in the world, right? But without the right infrastructure to get it to the right people at the right time, it's really just a plan gathering dust on a shelf. So what are we talking about here? It's an adaptive delivery platform. Think of it as a smart, automated system. It knows that an engineer over in Europe needs specific training on GDPR, while a marketing person in California needs to get up to speed on the latest prompt injection risks. It's the total opposite of a one-size-fits-all approach. It's more like a precision surgical tool for learning. And you can see here how these key capabilities translate directly into real business value. Regionally configured content? That's not just a feature, it's your compliance shield. Integrating with HR systems means total automation. The right training gets assigned the second someone's role changes. And pulling in threat intelligence, that ensures your training is never out of date and evolves just as fast as the bad guys do. Okay, so we have the engine. Now, how do we know if we're actually making progress? This is where we shift from just doing things to actually measuring them. You can't have a world-class program without world-class metrics to prove it's working. We absolutely have to measure what matters. So the first KPI is simple, but it's incredibly powerful, a 95% quarterly completion rate. And look, this isn't about just checking a box for compliance. It's about building a rock-solid security foundation across the entire company. It means everyone, from the newest hire to the most senior executive, shares a common language and understanding of how to defend the organization. Now this is where the rubber really meets the road. Our second KPI ties the training directly to risk reduction. The goal here is a 30% year-over-year drop in successful attacks during your own internal security tests. This is the proof. This metric shows that the training is actually changing behavior and measurably hardening your defenses against the biggest AI threats out there. And finally, we've got to talk about the budget. The report recommends setting aside 2% of your total AI R&D spend for this program. Now, this is crucial. You have to stop thinking of this as a cost. It's a strategic investment. It frames security as a vital part of innovation. You're basically investing 2% to protect the value and integrity of the other 98%. It just makes sense. And this table just lays it out perfectly. You can see how these 3 KPIs all work together in a beautiful system. You get that enterprise-wide coverage, you get a measurable reduction in risk, and you do it all with a budget that's logically tied to your innovation spend. It's a perfect closed-loop system of investment, action, and proof. So the plan is crystal clear. The technology is defined, the metrics are defined. And that brings us to the final and, frankly, the most critical piece of the puzzle, the call to action for you, the leaders in the room. This plan is great, but it doesn't happen on its own. It needs your direct, decisive commitment. Before we get to the specific actions, just look at the business case here. Let's say your organization is spending $500 million on AI R&D. That 2% investment is $10 million. Now, based on real-world data about breach avoidance, that $10 million investment delivers an estimated $162 million in risk reduction value every single year. The ROI is absolutely staggering. This isn't an expense line. It's a high-return investment in resilience. And that incredible business case leads directly to these 3 key actions for you. It's that simple. First, approve the budget. Formally commit that 2%. Second, appoint an executive sponsor. Someone has to own this and be accountable. And third, commit to board reporting. You have to weave these KPIs into your standard risk conversations so that security is always part of the strategic discussion. And again, this entire framework, from the big picture strategy all the way down to these specific actions, it all comes from the comprehensive C-suite blueprint developed by Virtualization Options LLC. I want to leave you with this one quote from the report because I think it reframes this whole conversation. The goal is to turn security training from an overhead cost into a strategic growth instrument. Just think about that for a second. This program isn't just about preventing bad things from happening. It's about enabling good things. It empowers your teams to innovate faster, to be bolder, because they know they're doing it securely. So, we'll end with this one simple question. Is your AI defense as innovative as your AI offense? You are pouring hundreds of millions, maybe billions of dollars into building the future with artificial intelligence. This blueprint gives you the tools to make absolutely sure that future is secure, that it's resilient, and that it's ready for whatever comes next.